What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. All right, so today I am showing you guys a free dropshipping course. I'm gonna go ahead and talk about this website called Oberlo. Some people know about it, some people don't, but this website is legit. So I was gonna make a dropshipping course, but I was gonna make a dropshipping course, but actually this website Oberlo, they have courses similar to what I was gonna make. And the main thing I was gonna show you guys was how to get sales, like the ambassador program. So maybe I'll do something different, but I'm gonna just show you guys the website oberlo.com. It does sync with Shopify. So Oberlo pretty much syncs with Shopify. They have digital courses on here, podcasts, eBooks, and dropshipping tools to help build your own online dropshipping empire. I'm gonna just talk about this with you guys. I usually, when I did my dropshipping boutique, I did use AliExpress. Obviously, that's China. It does take 2 weeks, sometimes more, but more than likely half the time 2 weeks. But I do make pre-made dropshipping boutiques with USA vendors. So if you want to look at that, you can check the description down below. All links in the description. So this website has actually like very, very helpful stuff, as you can see. Let me go to the top. So right here, they have courses. If you were to click courses, this is like what I think like a couple of hours, like 3 hours. It shows you, yeah, right here. So this is all the courses that Oberlo has. It says design your dream life. It tells you how many lessons, how long the course is, and you guys look, they're all free, 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 free. So yes, these are all free dropshipping courses. I actually need to watch some of these, like how to get sales on TikTok. I need to watch that. But yeah, these are all free dropshipping courses. This one right here that I have the mouse over, it says free DIY CEO, do it yourself, dropshipping 101, build your first online store. This is the video you guys want to watch. So I'm gonna just show you guys what's in the course, as you can see. So this course right here, it shows you pretty much how to build your dropshipping store from start to bottom, and then it shows you how to import with AliExpress. Now, in this course, they're going to show you how to find a Chinese vendor. But what you want to do is watch this course. Like I said, step by step, it'll show you how. If you haven't watched my how to find vendors on Shopify video, you can click the iCard at the top because I do have a video already made about that. But in this course, y'all, she tells you the introduction. She gives you 20 product ideas. And then she shows you how to do the AliExpress, and she talks about the shipping times, how to find suppliers, how to sign up for Shopify, naming your store, create a logo, pick a theme, all that. Like, you know how to add your product images, return, and refunds. Y'all, this is why I didn't make my course because I was like, wait, Oberlo already has something like this. Let me just direct them to Oberlo. It's free. Like, I'm not even going to charge y'all. I'm just put y'all on game. Like, I help y'all, y'all help me. Like, you know what I'm saying? So, and it says research your audience, create video ads, budgeting, how to fulfill orders on Oberlo, and how to manage returns and refunds. Like I said, this course is three, or is it three? No, it's 2 hours and 20 minutes, and there's 33 lessons. So, what I would suggest is to definitely watch this course. It says you can start your first online business in just a few clicks. You read that right. You can unlock the courses. It's made for entrepreneurs who want to run their business wherever and whenever they want. No experience, no problem. So in the course, they tell you how to find winning dropshipping products. Now, for me, I did online boutique because if I want to dropship, I want to make sure that I was interested in what I was dropshipping. Like I tried to dropship something random like dog hats or something, and I wasn't interested in that. You know what I'm saying? But if you want to try to go ahead and learn this and make bank bank, go ahead. Try to find winning products. Winning products probably is not going to be dropshipping boutique stuff, but if you're into dropshipping boutique, like I said, I made 14K in sales with AliExpress just because it was something I was like interested in. You know what I'm saying? There are people that do 14K in a day if they're doing like dog products, I guess. But it depends on what you want to do. That's just me being completely honest. Choose trustworthy suppliers. Build a Shopify store and a brand step by step. I've watched half of this course, y'all, and she legit tells you step by step how to like make your Shopify store. You can even optimize your ads and scale. So yeah, like I said, this course shows you how to find products, choose suppliers, build a store, set up Facebook ads, and everything. So, like I said, they have other courses, and let me show you guys. go back to the front page. I just thought I should put you guys on how to pretty much watch a dropshipping course for free. This is like legit. Like Oberlo is like pretty cool. And they do have ebooks as well. So if you guys need more help on how to dropship, I'm putting you guys on games. It's free games. Some people don't even know about this, y'all. These are the ebooks to building product pages, 100 best items to sell, free traffic, how to become an entrepreneur. They have even email marketing. I need to read that because I just started getting more serious with my email marketing. And then turn your followers, likes, and views into cash, how to monetize pretty much your social media. And then it says right here, 21 days to your first drop shipping sale. And then make money from home. Like I said, y'all. This is amazing. Do you guys see right here? Ebooks. It says members only. In order to become a member, all you have to do is join. As you see, it says right here, become a member. So let's see. Yeah, I logged in accidentally because I already made an account earlier. I made a random account. So pretty much all you have to do is make an account and then you'll be able to access all this free stuff, which is so amazing. Oberlo is very helpful. Let's see. Y'all can even read people's stories. Let's see, did I click that? Yeah, y'all can even read people's success stories. Like this one. This one says how I built a dropshipping store that made 6,000 in under 8 weeks. So that's pretty good because I did 14K in like a year and a half, which is still good because some people don't even do that. But I'm trying to get to make that like a month, So we'll get there eventually, coming soon. But look, y'all, it tells you from side hustle to 20 million a year. Whoever this person is, it's a podcast. They made 20 million a year. These people out here making money drop shipping, and they doing like what is this Bubba T plush toys? Like what? You made 100K from that? That's what I'm saying. Like certain products, you can make big bank, but you have to do your product research and find winning products. But I'm not, like I said, I'm not good with winning products. I did online a boutique. That's what I want to do. So guys, I just want to show you this real quick. Let's see. Let me go back. Like I said, Overload has like a lot of stuff, a lot of podcasts, a lot of ebooks, a lot of courses. Like I said, this is just free game. If you want to know, I mean, you could still do the boutique. Take this information and turn it into like what you're selling, which will be a boutique. Or if not, if you want to do winning products, like random stuff like dog products or beauty products, you can do that too. Like I said, it's all possible. It's all out there. You just gotta take this free information and grab it. Like I said, I was gonna do a dropshipping course, but I figured out I was like, wait, Oberlo, no, they already have a course like that. Let me just go ahead and show them the free course. Now, what I was gonna show you on my course was gonna show you how to actually get products, not get products, how to get sales, how to import the ambassador page on your store, the details page, and the script, like how to write girls on Instagram, and how I pretty much do that with my keyboard. I pretty much do like a fast text replacement to find girls to be ambassadors. So I'll have to make a separate updated video on that because I haven't made a video about that within like probably like a year ago. So this is pretty much me showing you guys all the free courses on overload.com. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you want a pre-made dropshipping boutique for me, you can get that down below, www.angelswhohustle.com. Okay? Thank you for watching, guys. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. More videos coming soon. And comment down below if you're going to start your dropshipping store and what kind of store are you starting. Is it going to be a boutique, another product? Let me know down below. And good luck. Bye, guys.